gosh, not the Hulk! He messed with the wrong one! Movement detected! Nice, kid! We won! We won! What is this? Preschool? Oh, yes! A new toy for my collection! I need to get the others as soon as possible! Your coffee, sir! It went cold! No problem, sir! Here you go! It's too hot now! Take it and get out! Come with me! This is our plan! Watch closely! It's you! And you are going on a mission! What am I going to do here? I think I understand! A random coincidence! Happy birthday, Superman! Make a wish! Come on, come on! Blow out the candles! Yes! Stop! Wait! Can I make another wish? I'll be quick! Seriously? Again? Come on, man! How much longer? Guys, I hear something! Someone is in danger! They need our help! Are you all ready? Let's go! Hey! Aw, man! We'll have to walk! Happy birthday! I'm late again! Child! Brother! Phew! Just in time! Guys, I think I made it! Oh! What was it? Are you okay, Deadpool? Look at that baby! What a cutie! Where are your parents? Behind you! Dynamite! What? What did you say? Oh no! Some kind of business card. Ew! Is this bug spray? Hey, guys, look! What's there? What kind of place is this? And why are these huge heads here? What is going on? Welcome! That's her! Hide in the boxes! What? We are superheroes! We never hide! You're dumb! Get in the boxes, now! That's how the game works! Wolverine, are you here? Guys, there you are! I found a business card! I can play with you too, right? Of course! You see? That will happen to everyone! What? Calm down, guys! I'll figure it out! Are you out of your mind? This is my piece! What? What happened to your superpowers? Oops! Not working, huh? You can't use your superpowers, so you better hide! The game is starting! Hide! Quick! Let me through! Which box should I choose? I'm going in here! Stupid hands! Hide! I got that box first! Go find another one! Okay, I call dibs on this one! Ready or not, here I come! Movement detected! I think I found my first victim! So, what will I get? Oh, yes! Let's play doctor! Get ready for a shot, Deadpool! She missed! Clumsy! I'm going to cure you now! No! I'm scared of needles! Don't! And the final shot! That's it! Give me that syringe! Hey! Okay, let's move on to Plan B. Pump it up. What's going on? I don't understand. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Oh, yes! Hey, that's not fair! That's it! Say hello to my little friends! Silly boy! Oh! Great job! Another figurine in our collection! I got Deadpool! Oh yes! Almost done! Let's spin the Wheel of Fortune again! Rubber bands! Lots of rubber bands! Great! Who should I choose? Take that! What's going on there? That's right! I'll take a look with one eye! Hello! I wish I hadn't looked! Oh yes! It's a tight elastic band! Sorry, Spidey! What is she up to? I feel pressure! We need more! That's perfect! Yes! It won't last long! Hello! It's a great day today! Be quiet! Bummer! Got another one! Great! Oh yes! Another figure! I have almost the entire collection! The next round! Oh yes! Stinky canned food! That reeks! Silent but deadly! Rotten fish is the perfect torture! Soak in the stench! Oh yes! I'm a genius! That stinks! What is that? Disgusting! I can't breathe! I'm choking! Oops! Hello! Spider Girl crawled out of her burrow! What? Misfire! System error! I don't see anything! The doll is glitching! This is my chance! I need a new box! Phew! I hope this helps me! Stupid spacesuit! That's it! I'll destroy you! What? Empty? That stinks! I need a powerful new weapon! Chewing gum? Oh yes! This is going to be fun! You're next! My biceps are the size of a box! You can't get out of here alive! Charge! Shoot! Where are the cartridges? Empty! But I still did a great job! 10 out of 10! My cape got wrinkled! Listen, I'm Superman! I know! What's up? My boss will be pleased! Oh yes! Almost done! Just one figurine left! I'm waiting for a deadly surprise from you! Oh yes! The perfect weapon for the final game! You're the only one left, Gwen Stacy! Me? Oh no, no, no! You are finished! What can I do? I can hear your fear! I need to get out! No, no, no! Oh! Mirror! It might work! Hey! I'm here! Crazy Killer Doll! Gotcha! Catching! Now your Killer Ray is my hostage! Wow! It worked! Surprise! What is this? A gift? For me? That's so nice! I have never gotten a gift before! No! My doll! What have you done? I won! Hi! Well, I'll head out. There or there? Where's the exit? Over there! Well, what am I going to do without you? I need to come up with something. Where is he? So much for Employee of the Year. He's asleep again. Yes, sir. My favorite doll is ruined. Find me a new doll. Hold an audition. Let's go, baby. I'll definitely get this part. The doll and I could be twins. Am I late? Is this the audition for the Squid Game Doll? I really want to win. You? Don't make us laugh. What a great joke. Oh, Mr. Troll Sue is here. Hello. Get behind me. Troll Sue, I'll be the next doll. We will be together. I love you, Troll Sue. Look at me. Good luck, ladies. Wow, Cupid's arrow hit me. Fine, I'll go watch too. The audition is about to start. Contestant number 1, please. I'm so nervous. 100% match. Congratulations! I passed. Next, please. 100% match. I knew it. Let me go. I passed. They are lucky! Of course! They are so stylish and beautiful! What are you waiting for? Come up! Seriously? Hurry! How do I look? Okay, let's go! 1% match! What? I'm a loser! My face is my main enemy! Don't worry, you'll make it next time! All I wanted was to be the doll! And now my life has no meaning! Enough! Calm down! Stop! I've got something for you! Here! This will help you! What is this? A guide to how to become the doll! It's a step-by-step plan! Thank you very much! You are the best! You're welcome! Thank you! I got it! Thank you! Girls! Oh! What's there? Help! Get away, angry dog! Someone help! Help! Somebody! I'll think of something! Oh! This will work! Like this! Carefully, so we don't break anything! Hey, can you hurry? Or is this gonna take a while? Hang on, I'll be quick! It worked! Hey, dog! Look how delicious the bone is! Want some? Mmm, yummy! Want it? Catch! Yes, it worked! Thank you very much! You saved me! How can I thank you? What can I do for you? Oh, can you help me? I need hair like this! Hair? Let me think! Oh, I have an idea! Wait a minute! What is she doing? Almost finished! I've got a lot of fur! Oh, that'll work! Now we just have to style it! How? Let's get rid of the excess! Here you go! The hairstyle is ready! This hair is perfect! Thank you so much! Bye! How do you like my hairstyle? Isn't it perfect? I'll fix my bangs! 10% match! Only 10%? Why so low? I have the perfect hairstyle! Look at the guide! Next, you need a yellow t-shirt! Got it? Where can I find one? Think of something! Wow! Iron Man! Unbelievable! Iron Man! Can I have your autograph? We love you! Please sign my poster! Oh, thanks! I have his autograph! And sign my t-shirt! For Piper! Piper! Here, use mustard! Sign here, please! Here you go! What? You ruined my t-shirt! Thank you! No need! Mr. Tony Stark! You can autograph the entire t-shirt! Okay! More! The whole thing! If you say so! Okay! Like this? Yes! Thank you so much! Wow! Bye-bye, Tony Stark! Bye! What am I even doing here? Check out my t-shirt! Now let's see! 25% match! Not enough again! I'm working on it! What's next? Dress! Apparently, my dress is too beautiful for the doll. But where can I get an orange sundress? Oh! What is this? Darn it! I missed again! You won't get away, Fly! Wait! What's going on here? Just don't move! Freeze! I'm gonna get it! Oh gosh! Well, that's it! It's over! What kind of spider am I if I can't even catch a fly? I'm a loser hero! I have an idea! I'll help you! Here! It's your fly! What? How did you do it? Thank you very much! I'm going to have a nice dinner! Oh, that's too much! Did you eat it? It was great! Thank you! Can you help me up? Phew! I'm full! Thanks to you! By the way, you can help me too! I need an orange dress! Wait! I've already thought of everything! Here! Eat! Thank you! I love chips! Yes! Have another carrot! Okay! Great! And this! And juice! Well, now what? Shoot your web! Come on, Spidey! Pew, pew! My web? Alright! Oh, yes! It's orange! Exactly what I need! But who will knit my dress? Oh, wonderful! Here you go, Granny! Wow! I was knitting a scarf! It's beautiful! Ah, kids these days! 1 second! Well, what do you say? 40% match! You! Be quiet! Not a word! What's the matter? Oh, who's crying? This is horrible! I can't stand it! What's wrong, Barbie? What's the problem? It's these chips! I can't stop eating them! So what? What? If I don't stop, I'll get acne! Like mine? Exactly! I'll take them! Don't touch my chips! I am so unhappy! Oh, I know what to do! Now you'll have way fewer chips! I'm suffering! What? Where are all my chips? All gone! Phew! I'm free now! You saved me! Ask for whatever you want! Oh, I know! My plan! Can you do my makeup? Say less! I'm a pro! I have everything I need! First, let's get rid of your acne! I'm scared! That was easy! All that's left to do is get rid of all the rest! Now you have perfect skin! That's not all! The best part is next! Makeup! I'll make you perfect! Great! Now we'll do your eyelashes! And of course, your lips! Great! Thank you, Barbie! Best friends forever! Thank you, Barbie! Gotta go! Well, what do you think? Well, still not done? Bummer! What's next according to the plan? Laser eyes! Obviously you need eyes! You wait here, and I'll go check on that! Help! Help! This elevator will choke me! What do I do? I don't know! Stop! No! Where are you going? Come on! Give me back Superman, you stupid elevator! Thank you! You saved me! Oh, no! Do something! Now! Come on! Stop! Who invented capes? You saved me! By the way, can you do me a favor too? I need laser eyes! I know! Come with me! Now I'm going to give you a tutorial. You just have to aim well. See? It's easy! Now you try! Come on! Shoot! I feel sick! I've got you! Are you okay? I totally forgot! I have special lenses! Of course! It's much better this way! Wow! Well, move, Superman! Well done! You're making progress! One more time! Yes! You did it! What the? Bravo, mademoiselle! Nice shot! You've won a prize! This bear is yours! Gotcha! This is for you, Superman! Thank you for your help! Bye! So, did you get your eyes? Look! Aha! See that? Nice shot! Now I'm definitely ready! What? But how can it be? I need more! What else is there left? The voice! Without the right song, they won't let you through! Okay, it's easy! I found the notes! What a nightmare! Hey, you sound great! Ignore them! Thank you for the support! But what do I do? What? Give me your Pokeball, baby! I won't ask you twice! No! Give me, or I'll take it from you! It's mine! Oh no! Oh yes! I know what to do! What? You deserve it! A loser in his undies! This is so embarrassing! My Pokemon! Thank you for helping me! Of course! What kind of Pokemon do you have? Will you show me? Of course! Jigglypuff! Wow! Jigglypuff! It's you! It's me! Teach me to sing, please! This is tough! Jigglypuff! Puff! Jigglypuff! Jigglypuff! Puff! It's all because of the microphone! It's yours! Really? They'll buy me a new one! Thank you very much! Bye! Look what I've got! Come on, I believe in you! I can do it! 100% match! Yes, I did it! Congratulations! Thank you! Welcome! Thank you! I'm happy for her! I wonder what's going on there! Wow! What do we do? The doll drives me up the wall! Break! Smash! We gotta go! Oh, no, no, no! Don't shoot! Where's my portal? I was basically halfway in spider heaven because of you. You gotta use your head. Really? Shut up, Strange. Yeah. Come closer, Bug. No problem. Don't. Stop it. Child's play. Hey, you guys. Look, that's the timer. We gotta walk faster. The end is behind the red line. Get off me, Bug! What the heck is this? How dare she? We are superheroes after all! I'm not putting up with this anymore! I'll handle her! Thanks, Cap! How did she pull that? Okay, my turn! Let me deal with her! Sorry, Cap! I've got this, you guys! Suit on! My shield's back! My poor Sue! I didn't give her enough credit! Sorry, you guys! My turn! Hey, you! Laser shooter! I challenge you to a duel! Come, guys! Well, the doll is tied up. Stay low-key. Everyone's here? We made it! What about Supergirl? I'm not giving up, doll! The girl wins! What do we do? It's settled! Emergency methods to be used! Her laser is stronger than mine! Poor thing! You are a mean, nasty boss! We are coming after you! Daddy, is that it? No, baby! Game must go on! What is this game about? What are we to do? Each of you gets a rock and a single try. You each have to knock down the sign. Capiche? Deal! Why use a rock when I have a hammer? There, dude! My hammer will take care of it! Mission complete! Go ahead! You're up! A rock? Not my style! Hold it, Cap! I can do it with both hands tied behind my back! There! Unbelievable! Iron Man passes this test! I told you! Good for you, Tony! I'm up! Let's try it out! Mission complete! Yoo-hoo! We win! We aced it! That was epic! Mila, what are you doing? Daddy! I'm busy playing here! Missed it again! You've got a ton of rocks! Okay! I win! Let's keep playing! Stop! What's wrong? Here's your new task! What's this? Weird thingy! You know what it is? No clue! Hey, guys! Do you know what this device is? Comment down below! I'll show you how it works! First-degree smoke! Test complete! Try it, Tony! Okay, I got this! Whoa! That's magic! What? He did it! Like a walk in the park, you guys! Okay, hand it over! How does that work? Huh? Will that be helpful? Okay, I'll try to make you spin! Come on!
Nope.
Uh-oh! Something went wrong! You lose! No! Please, don't! Why are they like this? It's just a world! Hey, you! Shut up! Keep moving! Daddy, look! I'm spinning a living world! Did you like our new video? Then be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell. See you next time!